Hi, this is Brian from Brian's Cleaning Corner. Today I'm here to talk about the differences between the corded electric rotary machine and the corded electric high-speed burnisher. The first difference we're going to talk about is appearances. On the corded electric high-speed burnisher, you'll notice that the motor is offset, meaning it's not directly above where the pad driver sits. You'll also notice that there's two sets of axles with wheels, and the third thing, which we'll get into a little more detail later, the pad driver is actually bolted underneath the machine and not easily removable. The most common size for this machine is 20 inch. On the corded electric rotary machine, also known as a swing machine or a side-by-side machine or a 175, you'll notice that the motor is mounted directly above where the pad driver sits. You'll also notice that there is a single axle, and the pad driver is easily removable on this machine with just a twist of the wrist. The typical size for this machine ranges from 12 to 20 inches. The next difference we're going to talk about is operation. The most important thing is proper handle height. This will not only make your job easier, but will also reduce fatigue. In order to adjust the handle, what you're going to want to do is pull up on the release, bring the handle down, and you're going to want it to be right at waist height. Put the handle down, lock it in place with your foot, and now the machine is properly adjusted for handle height. The next thing you're going to want to do is plug the machine in. Once the machine's plugged in and you have the handle height adjusted, you're ready for operation. In order to start the machine, there is the safety lock, which is right here. You press in and then you pull on either handle up here. What you want to make sure of is that the machine is sitting level. Make sure the machine is perfectly level. Push the safety lock, put your foot forward, and pull the handle. Okay? Again, pull up on the machine. It's going to go on the handle. It's going to go to the right. Push down. It's going to go to the left. Slow, steady movements are the key to making this work properly. You can walk forward. You can walk back. What you don't want to do is hold the machine away from your waist. The only thing that's going to do is wear your arms out and make you extremely tired at the end of the day. Let your legs do the work for you and keep it pressed against your waist. Just remember, number one important rule: if the machine gets out of hand, don't let go of the handle, let go of the trigger device. Keep your hands on the handle, because if you let go, the machine is going to spin around. We don't need that. That can become a dangerous situation, so just let go of the switch. Now I'm going to demonstrate proper operation of a high-speed burnisher. One thing I would like you to take note of: this particular machine has a fixed handle, meaning that there is no adjustment for it. Some high-speed burnishers do have an adjustable height handle. In that circumstance, you need to refer to the owner's manual for proper height adjustment. Once the machine is ready to go, once you have your pad on the bottom, there are two sets of wheels. Rest the machine on the second set of wheels. Plug the machine in. Put the cord on your shoulder to keep it out of the way. There is a safety interlock on top and two handles on the side which activate the switch. Push the safety interlock in, pull either handle, and that will begin the motor turning. You always want to start a high-speed burnisher without the pad touching the floor. This is very important. Push the safety lock, pull the handle, lightly touch the pad to the ground, and move the machine backwards or forwards to operate. Again, lift the machine off the floor and let go of the handle. The final difference is going to be the use of the machines. For the high-speed burnisher, this has one single purpose, and this is to produce a high gloss, high shine, or the wet look on a vinyl tile floor with floor finish. This is in contrast to the low-speed machine, which has multiple purposes. They can be used for stripping, scrubbing, and low-speed buffing of floors. Just remember that there are a lot of differences between these two machines. So at this time, there's no single machine that can perform the job of both a high-speed burnisher and a low-speed rotary machine.